This blind senior was just dropped off at This blind senior dog was dropped off at a shelter by the only family he'd ever known for 13 years. He was visibly confused and had no idea what to do. She knew she had to rescue him immediately and get him safely into a loving foster home. For the first couple of days, he needed a few days to rest and sleep off the stress of the shelter. But when he woke up, he was an old dog who was more than ready to embrace a new chapter. Despite being blind, he quickly learned every corner of his new home without ever needing to see it. He still has so much love left to give to his forever family. But he had to take care of two things before he started looking. First, he had to get his eye taken care of. One of them was causing him a lot of problems and was extremely painful. He also desperately needed a groom. But after that, unfortunately, he had to have one of his eyes removed. Once his eye was removed, he felt so much better. Happier, more loving, more easygoing dog. Eddie might be a senior boy, but he still has so much love left to give to a family. If you're looking for a low-maintenance dog with a heart full of love, he's the perfect match.